Hi everyone. I don't know if you're a fan of pickled mushrooms, but believe me, after trying my recipe, you will be one. Let's start with slicing 6 cloves of garlic. So we're gonna need 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 4 bay leaves, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 100 ml of water, 1 kilogram of mushrooms. You can mix colors or use what's available to you, and 100 ml of oil. Let's start with putting all our spices, our vinegar, sugar, all our ingredients into one pot. Turn the stovetop to medium heat and let's add all our mushrooms in. It's gonna look like there's a lot of mushrooms and not a lot of pot, but you'll see it'll be okay. Just stick with me. And now is the fun process. You're gonna see how those mushrooms are gonna slowly reduce in size, let all their juices out, and they're just gonna marinate and brine and actually cook in their own juices. And that's what gives them that full body and flavor of deep forest mushrooms. This process will take about 20 minutes. Just stick by your mushrooms, give them a gentle stir every few minutes, and watch them begin to become submerged in their own juices. Okay, so once our mushrooms are fully submerged in their juices and our brine, we're gonna let them boil like this for an extra 5 minutes without touching them. And that's it. Our mushrooms are done. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a sterile jar and gently place all our mushrooms in first. It's easier doing that when your jar is sitting in the sink. And we're gonna cover the mushrooms with their juices all the way to the top. Look at this beautiful deep brown color. That is your all natural mushroom stock. So because this is pretty much boiling hot, we're gonna have to let it cool completely. Just forget about it for a couple of hours, or better, put it in your fridge overnight. The mushrooms become gentle, soft, juicy. You must give this mushroom recipe a try. This is a great side dish. You'll be very surprised. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my next recipe.